Okay, this is my question to you. Campaign number 5. Who has the greatest influence on your life? Who has the greatest influence on your life? Sino yung tao o bagay na nakaka-influence sa'yo? Isang gusto.
Kasi gusto na